Okay, this video is gonna be more about the services. Okay, how to put information into services, edit it, and do all the things that concerning the text area. Okay, then we have besides that one, we have company with about us. Okay, all this video is going to be related to this one, to testimonials, and blog. Okay, right. Here on the for this one, we have a software that's called K2. Okay, which you can find it in components K2. Okay, here we have all the articles that has been written or has been created to create a website. Okay, the same ideology of how Joomla works is the same thing. Okay, for this one, first you need to create categories. Okay, which we have created the categories testimonials, and then we have services, which has 6 active, company, which has 1, and blogs, which was 1. Okay, then on items we have all the items related to it. Okay, if you see in this area, you will see the title. Okay, here is gonna let you know if it's featured or if it's not featured, published or not published, category, testimonials, who is the author, which always needs to be High Tech Science and Neo Incorporation, last modified by, access level public, created, modified, and hits, as well as the main image for it. Okay, which you are able to see to relate it to it. Okay, same ideology. If you want to create a new one, okay, you want to create a new one, you click on new. This area, you click title, you put the title of it. You put you don't need to put the alias, just in case the same idea that we were talking, that if you are going to duplicate a title, if you're going to duplicate a title but you want with a set different link, then you can do it. Okay, here the category, in other words, if that's not gonna happen, if you are not gonna duplicate the title, leave it empty. It's gonna be created automatically. Okay, the category, select what category you are talking about. If you are gonna create something for testimonials, for services, for company, or for blog. Okay, tags is the same ideology of keywords, but this one is what it does is basically duplicates the page, giving a stronger SEO. Okay, tags needs to be related exactly to what is being talked on the article. Okay, feature is yes, publish, yes. Okay. Alright, you have the content with the editor, where you can write concerning the article. Okay, the image, which is going to be the main image for the article. Okay, let me try to see, because okay, okay, the picture of this article, the reason why I'm gonna say that is because in different areas it looks different. So to maintain the even of the website to look good in everything, refer to the same size that for that we spoke for the galleries. Okay, so the size for these pictures are 1014 by 610. Of course, when they get into the website, they are going to be resized automatically to fit the necessary area. Okay, so let's work with 1014 by 610. Okay, so the image, you choose the file. Okay, you choose the file, and then when you save it, it's gonna be uploaded. You can click image caption or image credits for it. You have the, in this case we don't have this feature of image gallery, neither the media. You can well, you can do it, but in embedding with HTML. Okay, extra fields is not necessary in this case, and attachments is just an extra feature if you wanna put an attachment for this articles or whatever you are writing. Okay, language. Let's go to the settings, language and author publishing status. Language, you can leave it as all, or you can change it to English US. It's not necessary to put it as English US, but you can leave it as all. Okay, author alias, don't touch it. This author is the one that we need, High Tech Science and Neo Incorporation. Access level, it will be public. Creation date, start publishing, finishing publishing. Of course, we don't want to finish publishing. The metadata information, which I explained in the video for sign types. Write the description, the keywords. Robots, remember this is always index, follow. Okay, it's very important for you to type this: index, follow. Index, space follow. Okay, which is gonna be that system. Okay, item view options in category. These ones, if you can see, all says inherited by category. Don't touch it. As part of it, or part of the configuration, as well as item view options. Okay, nothing to do there. So that's basically how to edit services. Anything that is inside of services, which is graphic design, crane services, installation, menu, sign repair, sign fabrication. You were saying something about crane services not being, of course, after you finish save and close, not interested about having crane services. So we can look for crane services. Okay, crane services, let's click on it, on this button, and let's trash it. Okay, crane services. Now what is important is to actually always, even if it's trash, always empty that trash. Okay, so we're trashing it. Okay, and that means that it doesn't exist in the system anymore. Okay, let me explain you something. It doesn't exist in the system in here. Okay, but in the menu where it was created. Crane Services still exists, which I need to empty it, which is in menus and services menu, if I'm not mistaken. And Crane Services, we click on this, we go to trash it, okay, and same ideology, select status, trash, look for it and empty the trash. Okay, so we don't have receipts of trash in the website that might affect the SEO. That's about it. This is how to edit gain, how to edit services, about us. And the reason why I'm saying about us is, if you can see right here, the category is called company. Okay, and we remember when we went into K2 categories, we said company, okay, services, of course, testimonial, and blog. Okay, so company, about us, testimonials on blog. Okay, now one of the things that I need to show you is the normal Joomla. Okay, Joomla has frequent asked questions, which is FAQ. Okay, which is the FAQ system, which is this one. Okay, FAQ is frequent asked questions as a category. Okay, and then we have free and legal. Okay, let's go to articles to understand what is this. We have free estimates. Okay, free estimates, this is yes, just remember that free estimates is basically this, which is an article concerning free estimates, and why it's so important, just to pull a little bit of ranking into the website. Then we have legal, which includes the privacy policy and terms of use of the website. This is very important to contain in the websites, in facts where you are requesting quotes, contacts, and where you are requesting information from people. Basically, by law, you're supposed to have it as soon as you are requesting a name or email of a person. You are requesting, you need to post a terms of use or a privacy policy of it. Okay, this is the FAQ, frequent asked questions, like do you do maintenance, do you do installation, what kind of signs. Of course, the same ideology. If you want to create a new one, you click on new. Okay, let's do new. Okay, the title, we click the title. This is the content. Okay, publishing, you don't need really to do anything in there. Created by, you can select High-Tech Science and Ian. It's very important to always be that person, High-Tech Science and Ian. The meta description, meta keywords, key reference. Use it to store information referring to an external resource. This is a let's say example that you are taking some content from another website and you want to refer to that area. In other words, I would say this: don't do that. Okay, don't do that. That's not that's prohibited on Google. It's used just if you have a configuration of a newspaper or something related to it. Okay, robots, use global, is index follow, always index follow. Let's remember that. Image and links, we click for an intro image, and full article image is gonna be the same size, and these ones are if you want to put images into it. These sections are right now are not enabled, so there's nothing to do about it. Options, not to be worried about it. Configure, edit the screen, and permissions, nothing to do too. Save and close as soon as you finish. Okay, and we're good to go. I think oh, and the most important part I'm forgetting about it, that's why I'm creating a new one again, is I will select the category. Okay, I will select the category frequent asked questions. Tags, here you can create tags. You can type a tag, okay, and press enter to create it. Feature, yes. That's about it. Okay, this is how